storm changed too quickly, from manageable to monstrous overnight. It was, scientists said, the new face of climate change. Behind every statistic was a story. In St. Elizabeth, families trapped by floodwaters waited for rescue as power went out. One local minister said rescue teams reached a stranded family that included 4 babies. In another town, a hospital lost electricity, its emergency wing damaged beyond use. In Haiti, homes along the coast of Petit Goâve were washed away before sunrise. 25 people didn't make it out. Across the region, millions sat in the dark, their radios silent, waiting for news.